sa Homeowners Association. Wala kay our amenities and provisions are limited to our homeowners and to their guests. So if may kilala ka, then pwede ka. But wala, sorry. Pets? Siyempre pets ang owner. Pet ang owner. Pwede.
What if may crime sa condominium and then mapatay? Sinong liable? May liability, I mean, ang owners ng condominium.
Same with what happened to Navarro. I searched for this case and ang only liable lang that is ang homeowner, ang owner of the unit wherein nga nag-cut ko sila. Wala. Siyempre, inaano man lang ina-prevent the happenings of certain crimes like we have our CCTV, CCTV, 24-hour security system. So very secure dito sa Amon Alegria Tower.